Who am I speaking with?
It's Tony Greenberg, CEO of RampRate.
And RampRate is what?
We're a sourcing advisor for IT infrastructure. Fortune 500s and medium to large internet companies hire us to source everything from CDNs to data centers to telecom to cloud utility and managed services. IT outsourcing.
So you've actually been in the space of video streaming yourself in the business and the enterprise space. Tell me, where has it been, and what is, I guess, the top issue with regards to ROI?
I hate to bring up the fact that my name was actually Streamboy in 1996. As we were building the Exodus data centers, we had a special cage called Tony.com, and our goal of that cage was to enable all the streaming media companies. There was companies like Broadcast.com and Real Networks and Activate and a variety of other enterprises that were going to deliver business video and B2C video. And over time, that became the main core where Akamai was delivered out of, and then we started sprouting with a lot of other different CDNs, and we became kind of the core company that was delivering. Somewhere along the line, I decided to leave, and I joined a company that at the time was called vStream. And what we were building is a video-on-demand platform that could measure who watched what, when, and for how long for business video. We were in the streaming media space, we were selling streaming media services, but primarily we had this who watched what, when, and for how long platform that we sold to Microsoft and to Cisco. And the most unique fundamental business model that we pushed, back in those days you would charge per minute for on-demand delivery, was what sort of bonus we could have gotten if we could get sales engineers to watch more video and have better closing ratios and better sales margins, then we could receive a bonus. Well, this was fun because the measurement and ROI of streaming media has always been dubious at best, whether it's in the enterprise or not. And as it becomes more pervasive throughout the world, and the bits are growing exponentially, we still have to go back to what is delivery cost and how is delivery managed. I'm not really sure which platform you're working on, but it's a critical component to measure the ROI. In a video world where their compliance is a major issue, whether it's on-demand sexual harassment training or a variety of other compliance issues, financial compliance issues, all of these beg to figure out what will create the most painless experience. The idea of turning on a TV is one thing to watch video, but it's still difficult. Even as we know that everyone streams today, there's still millions of people that have functional problems with their computers, their processors, their applications, their ability to see and view. So anything that will enable an instant-on experience, especially in the compliance video space, can be really, really powerful. And I'm excited to see the new business models come out as the video bits is in a race to zero. Now we can get down to real business.
And I don't know if you actually spelled it out, but you, with this company, with the new business model you created, it wasn't so much bits, but you actually got paid on a commission off of increased sales, correct?
I can say that we had some bonuses around margin, and I can't say anything more than that. But I can tell you one thing, in my current business, RampRate, we're not only just paid on cost reduction, but on value increase based on SLAs and true total cost of ownership and ROI in a particular deal. So all that mushy, squishy stuff that you guys all don't pay attention to, right, which is the performance and the strategic versus budget-conscious price. Those are the areas in the squishy areas of the contract that RampRate deals with, and that I hope that enterprise spends more time. Because just remember, it's not about the price, it's about the effect. It's about how painless an experience an end user can have, be it on streaming media or any other delivery platform. So it's exciting as the cost goes away that you manage these contracts in a really, really careful way, and you'll have your business more agile, and it'll perform better, and you'll have stronger ROI in all of your projects.